Hello everyone and welcome to my cruise channel. Today we're talking about cruise technology. Technology has changed a lot since the last time I posted a cruise technology review. For those of you interested, I'll include a link to that video in the description below. Some things, however, have remained the same, and I'll include those along with the tech updates in this video. For full disclosure, before we begin, I do volunteer for Google as a Google product expert, and I'm in a master's degree program right now to learn how to teach technology to people. With that in mind, your tech prep actually starts before your cruise actually begins. Download your cruise lines app before you leave. Here you'll be able to join your respective loyalty clubs, make all of your booking arrangements, check in for your cruise, download your boarding pass, purchase any packages you may want, view your loyalty tier progress, and even do your muster drill. That's right, on most lines, you no longer have to stand outside in the heat like a pack of sardines in the middle of in order to do the muster drill. Now, while you're having all sorts of fun with the Cruise Line's Technology Funhouse on your phone, you should update your phone's system and keep your apps updated. To update the phone, you should be able to find that under your system settings on your phone. I'll include instructions on how to update system settings in the description below. Google usually pushes updates out monthly, while Apple's is more sporadic with bug updates generally occurring annually and smaller updates occurring more frequently. I've included instructions on how to install both firmware and software updates for each operating system in the description below. Now, once you have that all settled, you may want to consider investing in an RFID wallet for your credit cards while abroad. This will scramble any information hackers may try to get from your credit card. You also may want to invest in a power bank. Please note that if you're flying to your destination, these must be packed in your carry-on bags. For more information on what the TSA will allow, I'll include a link to the TSA website on power banks in the description below. Your cruise line will also offer more specific guidance on what type of charger you're allowed to bring on your cruise, so be sure to check with your cruise line. Selfie sticks are also a good idea to bring with you, and not just for taking selfies. I've used mine to get better angles on all sorts of difficult pictures. In some cases, you can even use your watch to open the camera app on your phone and take a picture. For action shots such as ziplining, you may be able to use a GoPro, which can attach to your body via a chest strap. Not all excursions allow this, so check into this before you go. Looking for a more quiet moment on your cruise? Take some time before you go to download some books or entertainment on your tablet before you go. Pack the tablet in your carry-on, but be warned, you may be asked to turn it on while going through security, especially if you're flying. Make sure your tablet is charged. Want to listen to music on your cruise? Many cruise lines have banned Bluetooth speakers, so don't pack those. Instead, invest in some wireless earbuds. They'll take up less space than wired headphones, and many phones no longer include a jack to plug in wired headphones. Many earbuds have active noise cancellation, or ANC, meaning they block outside noise or adaptive sound technology, which means that they'll automatically adjust to the sound to the environment you're in. Some may even have microphones installed for taking calls or making videos. One piece of technology that's not allowed on MSC cruise is the Meta recording glasses due to potential recording capabilities. If you have smart glasses, you may want to check and see if they're allowed on board before your cruise. One piece of low tech that's always useful to have is a whistle. If you need to get someone's attention while in port, this is a convenient option. Finally, consider enrolling in the Smart Traveler Enrollment Program, or STEPS if you're a U.S. citizen. If there's an issue abroad and you can't get in touch with the cruise line, they will guide you to the nearest embassy. Conversely, they will also contact you if there's any issues with your vacation, and it's completely free to use. So, seasoned cruisers, what are your tech tips? We would love to hear about them in the comments below. And as always, bon voyage!